guarantee. It's that I knew I had a good product. I knew there are military specifications for each of the tool within the Leatherman tool. And I designed the tool to meet those specifications. So when Steve and I thought about a warranty, we thought, well, it should be lifetime. But we also realized that there were magazines that had small classified ads in the back that had imitation buck knives from Pakistan, $3.95, lifetime warranty. 38-piece socket set, $9.95, lifetime warranty. 12-piece pots and pans, full set, all stainless, lifetime warranty, all total junk. And so we wanted a big number, we wanted a real number, but we wanted a big number. So we selected 25 years. And I can assure you that if a super tool finally fails and after 26 years, don't worry, I'll take care of it.